What happens when you stop guessing what customers want and start using AI to give them exactly what they're looking for? One global shoe brand made the switch from generic product recommendations to Klaviyo's AI product recommendations. They saw clicks increase by 2,500%. Let's break down how they did it. I'm Michael Pattison, Director of Global Digital Strategy at Klaviyo. I've worked in digital marketing for over 20 years, and today I'm sharing one of the clearest wins I've seen from a data-driven personalization standpoint. But first, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. My customer, a well-known global shoe brand, was relying on generic product recommendations in their automations. Their thinking was, you bought shoes, you probably need socks. They were nervous to lean into AI, and they thought they knew best. But when they looked at the data, that assumption didn't hold up. Customers weren't buying socks, they were buying more shoes. Despite strong traffic and brand recognition, their flows were underperforming. Many had just one email. The product recs were the same for everyone, regardless of the behavior or purchase history of that customer. Clicks were happening, but conversions weren't. The brand knew their email program could do more, and they just weren't sure how to personalize effectively at scale. Here's how we tackled it step by step. First, we looked at flows that should have strong engagement and revenue, but were underperforming Klaviyo's benchmarks. That helped us identify where we had the biggest opportunity for improvement. Then, we set up a clean A/B test. We cloned one of the flows and created a 50-50 split. One group continued to get the generic recommendations, while the other received Klaviyo's AI product recommendations. Next, we defined what success would look like. We focused on two things: clicks to measure engagement and revenue to measure the actual business impact. Finally, we launched the test and let it run. We didn't expect the results overnight, but we started seeing a clear winner way faster than we thought. Once the data came in, it was undeniable. Clicks increased by 2,500%. Revenue jumped by 385%, and conversions up by 12%. The brand was thrilled. More importantly, they realized the power of using data-backed personalization instead of assumptions. With one small change, they unlocked a massive opportunity for smarter growth. If you want to move beyond best guess marketing, here's what you can take from this success story. First, audit before you optimize. Look at your highest performing flows and ask, are they actually performing to their full potential? Use Klaviyo's benchmark report as your baseline. Identify areas where you're underperforming and follow up with targeted action to improve. Then, test with a clear hypothesis. A/B testing works best when you define what you're testing and why. Create a clean control and test group. Finally, let AI do the heavy lifting. When you don't have strong behavioral signals, AI product recommendations can help you personalize at scale without overthinking logic or rules. Strong personalization doesn't require a massive overhaul, just smart decisions, good data, and a willingness to test what works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and head to the description for even more resources on how to learn and grow with Klaviyo.